welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. I'm all about lifestyle, fashion, and beauty, so if you're into that, join the family. Today's video is going to be a decorate with me for fall. I'm gonna show you guys what I bought from the stores. I think I went to At Home, Dollar Tree. I feel like I'm forgetting a store, but it will probably come to me later. But basically, for the first portion, I'm going to show you what I purchased. And then I'm going to show you how I decorated my living room and kitchen dining area with the items that I purchased. So if you're interested in stuff like this, keep on watching. Okay guys, so the first item I want to talk about are these pillows that I got from At Home. I'm going to let my camera focus. I got these from At Home. These were, well, I'm saying these because I have a set. So I bought 2 of these pillows and they were $9.99. Yeah, they were $9.99. They're super soft and super cozy. I just have a fear that my cats and dogs are going to play with this and potentially destroy it. I hope not. Okay, so the next item that I got from, I have a lot of things that I got, even this faux plant behind me. I got this from Burlington Factory. This is the Rustic Villa brand set of 2 decorative pillows, and I think these were $20. It has like lint, but I think these were $20. The tag is not on this one, but these are super cute. Like, my theme for the fall is gonna be black and white, and yeah, basically black and white, because my theme for my living room is gray, blue, and hints of green. And when I say hint of green, I'm talking about like plants and stuff like that. So yeah, that is the theme for fall. And then for Thanksgiving, I don't think I'm switching out anything. So yeah, how ironic, I went to Dollar Tree and got a mug to match my pillows and the black and white decor that I am doing. So this was from Dollar Tree. This just says blessed. Hopefully my camera is focused. And let's get into the other. I'm trying to see if I can find a price tag, but literally there's no price tag on this, so I'm just curious as to how I knew how much this was. Oh, on the tag it says $19.99. So yeah, these were a good deal, especially for 2 big pillows like this. Those were a good price. So the next item that I got from Burlington Factory was this plant. Was this faux plant. I'm trying to see if I can show you guys. I definitely wanted this plant. I don't know if I'm gonna put it in my beauty room or my living room. I have to figure out where I want to place it, but this was $39.95 and it says a comparable value at $75.99. honestly, $39.99, so technically $40, and $75.99 is so cheap compared to what I've seen at IKEA. What I've seen at IKEA was $130 to $200, and I never understood, like, how could something that's plastic be that much money? But who am I, right? So this is definitely cute. I kind of wish it had a different vase or pot, but again, it's fake, so everything's glued together. I probably am gonna find something that I can put this whole charade in. And yeah, honestly, that was a steal, and I'm so happy that I found it, because I've been on a hunt for fake plants this whole time. I did find, well, I had to make my own fake plant assortment. I went to Michael's and I found like a couple of green branches or whatever, and I just put it in a vase that I got from the thrift store, and then that looked fine. But I kind of wanted something that was already built, because I was lazy. Okay, so Now we're going to the items that I got from Dollar Tree, and these are little candle holders. And as I said, my theme is black and white, and I'm praying that everything looks great together, because if not, I'm gonna feel like my house is looking like Beetlejuice's floor, and I'm not into that. So this kind of reminds me of Beetlejuice, and we're in October. Okay, so this is a candle holder. This was $1. Super cute. I know every Dollar Tree is different, but I'm pretty sure every other Dollar Tree in different states is better than my Dollar Tree. I'm telling you that for a fact. My Dollar Tree has nothing. It's very rare that you find something cute like this. Very rare. And then I have this little pumpkin candle holder. I just thought this was the cutest little thing. I'm just like, oh my god. We're in the October month, you know. Need something very festive, so I got this. Again, super cute. I got this mug, black and white thumbnail. Okay. So I got this mug. It says happy fall. Again, super cute for fall. As I said, black and white, but now I'm seeing I got a lot of checkered things. I'm like, is this gonna look good? I hope it is. Please, or I'm gonna have to return this, but I don't know where my receipt is. I literally waited to do this video. Then I got these kitchen towels. They just say happy fall, which is super cute. Again, am I doing too much with these checkered prints? I hope I'm not. But yeah, super cute. What else did I get? From Dollar Tree, I got these Luminescence toasted marshmallow. I forgot how they smell, but I literally can't wait to smell this. It smells good. It doesn't smell like toasted marshmallow, but then again, my nose is stuffy. It does smell like a campfire. It smells really good. Hopefully it gives that scent throughout my house, but I already have like candles that I love burning anyways, so yeah. And then the last items that I have are these plates, and they match the mug. So it says happy fall, and I'm gonna put this on my kitchen or dining room table. Honestly, I don't know what to call it. I live in a loft, so like there's no wall separating the two, so it's a living room, kitchen, and dining room all in one, you know. So I'm just gonna put it on my table, and this says happy fall. Again, very on theme with the black and white. I'm kind of nervous, like my anxiety is rising because I didn't fully think this through, but we'll see. We'll see if I could be an interior decorator. Literally, we will see. I know this has nothing to do with decorating, but I picked up these cute little, I don't know if they're bear claws or what, but these are super cute, and I can't wait to wear them. They're actually soft, super cozy. I got these from Walmart. And then I have these super soft, super cute slippers I'm actually gonna put on, and I got this from Walmart too. Oh, the price. So these are $13.98, and these bear claws are $12.99. Very affordable. As I stated, these are the only things that were not black and white in this haul. I'm gonna put these on, and then we're gonna get into decorating. I'm praying that everything looks great, so we'll see how I do. So yeah, guys, look at my dog. He goes under my couch like my cats. Look at him. Hi, Louie.
Come here, Louie. Come here.
Yeah, I don't know why he does that, because he's growing and he's getting too big for that. But say hi to the vlog. Say hi. Say hi. Oh shit. Say hi. So guys, we're gonna decorate with the help of my little dog, and then I have a little cat, and then I have a big cat. So yeah, these are my children. They're bad as fuck. Yeah. But let's get into it. So I just... Okay.
He was just licking him.
So I'm trying to figure out how I should place these pillows because I bought too much and I already cut the tags off of them, so I doubt I can return them. But I'm just gonna figure this out and show you guys how I do this, okay? My dog likes to play with this one little toy and he rips the guts out of it. So as you can see, there's lint.
Come here. Give it to me. That's why we took the toy from me. I forgot.
Literally. I don't know if I'm going to put this green plant right here. But what do you guys think about the pillows? Don't mind that fluff. I got to vacuum it up. But what do you guys think about the pillows? I like them. But again, I bought too much, ripped the tags off already, can't return them. So I'm gonna have to do what it do. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I know I didn't do much but add pillows to my couch, but honestly, I'm in love with it. And there's Louie. So I have the blue pillows. I got these from TJ Maxx, let's say from last year. And I also had black and white pillows, but they were actually ugly. I just feel like those were an impulsive buy, so I could hurry up and decorate my house when I first moved here. But now I have these pillows. These are from At Home. And then, no, sorry, the black and white pillows are from Burlington Coat Factory. The black fuzzy pillows are from At Home. This rug is from a local furniture store in my city. I actually got this rug for $100, which wasn't bad in my opinion. I don't know how much rugs usually go for, but it was something cute. It's navy blue. It was going with my aesthetic. Black, blue, and gray. So yeah, this is the living room. So at first I felt like I bought too many pillows, but then I forgot how big my sectional is. So I feel like I did fine. In the future, if I do an update, maybe for the winter, or Christmas time, how I decorate, I probably want to incorporate a little table right here or a side table on each side. But I have no idea yet. I just have this lamp just chilling there for now. Because I do have natural lighting, but my actual lighting is that. And I don't know how they wanted that to light up a house, but yeah. Alright, so now I'm just going to set the table. And Thanksgiving is not until next month, but I just want to see, I just want to see what the vibe is. I think all the plates say different things because clearly I don't know how to be cohesive with items. So if you guys see any marks on my table, I actually used the table marker, literally a legit table marker that colors and the scuffs, but honestly it just made my table look worse. So yeah. That's that. But I just have this place says gather together, happy fall, gather together, count your blessings. So yeah, again, the aesthetic was black and white. And then I'm just gonna put candles here. So I have these two candles, but where should I put them? Because I thought we would have the entryway. Guys, I need to find an entryway table, and it's so hard to find.
I can sit them here for now.
Sit them on the thing? That's not ugly?
No, for now. For now.
Put a candle in there. Or I'll probably put that on the TV stand. I don't know.
You can. I can put the thing on the floor.
What's next? Oh, I have these 2 table cloths or kitchen towels or whatever. So I have these kitchen towels that I'm gonna put right on my stove handle. Oh man, did I mess this up? And they just say happy fall. So yeah, these are super cute. Very on theme with the colorway. And yeah. Look at both of them. They're fiends. Yeah, let me tell. Because I hate bringing in faux plants because my cats like to eat it and then throw up. I don't get it. I don't know why they're eating fake things. But this little baby kitten doesn't know how to mind her business.